In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a business logo in Go High Level. Having your logo in place is a small step that makes a big difference. It helps your brand look professional and consistent across your funnels, emails, and client-facing pages. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process from inside your Go High Level account, and by the end, your logo will be uploaded and ready to use. First, make sure you're logged into your Go High Level account and that you're in the correct location or sub-account where you want the logo to appear. Once you're in the right place, look for the Settings option in the left-hand menu. This is where you control most of your account and business configurations. Go ahead and click on Settings. It may take a second to load, but once it does, you'll see several options related to your company and account setup. Inside Settings, find and click on Business Profile. This section is dedicated to your company information such as business name, contact details, and visual branding. The logo you upload here is what Go High Level will use in various parts of your account, so it's important to keep it up to date and on brand. When you're on the business profile page, look for the logo area. You should see an option that says Upload. This is where you'll add your image file. Click on Upload and a file browser window will open on your computer. Navigate to the folder where your logo is stored. For the best results, choose a clear, high-quality image file, usually in PNG or JPG format. A version with a transparent background often looks more professional, especially on different colored interfaces. Select your logo file and confirm your choice. After that, Go High Level will begin uploading the image. Depending on your internet connection and file size, this might take a moment. Once it's uploaded, you should see a preview of your logo in the business profile section. Before you move away from this page, make sure to save your changes if there is a save option. This ensures that your newly uploaded logo is stored and applied throughout your account. After saving, you can navigate to other areas, like funnels or emails, to confirm that your logo appears the way you expect. And that's all you need to do to upload a business logo in Go High Level.